Like in this video, I'm going to show you one of them is how to mute a group. So if you're angry that I'll be disturbing you with so many notifications in this day, then to learn how to mute that way. And otherwise that I'm going to show you how to customize the notification sound for a particular chat of a particular number. Then the last one I'm going to show you the easiest way to save WhatsApp chat. It's more accurate to send that or downloading another app to save WhatsApp contents. This is the easiest method. So let's proceed to how to mute a group. So first of all, head over to the group you want to mute. Now click on the group. Now click on the three dots here. Click. Now you can see mute notification. You can click on mute notification. You can select how long you want to mute notification here. You can select on this and click OK. Now, whenever the group sends a message, you're not going to receive. Now, for the second one, I'm going to show you how to customize notification for a particular chat. Let's say I see the press, sound will go like this. Now, the sound will go like this. So, but after customizing the notification, the sound for this particular chat will be different. So to do that, head over back on the chat, double click on the and see double click here, the chat here. Now scroll down to notification. Click on notification. Then you can select notification to this app. So I've selected this one, but if you set it before, it will have a default sound. Yeah. And hear the sound for each of the notifications. So set it to this place. So now whenever I receive message from that, the notification will be different. So now the third one, how to save WhatsApp status. How to save the WhatsApp status. Now I have a folder on my desktop. This is the folder. So this folder, all the status all my status comes into this folder. So anyone that I want to save, I can easily save this status. So I'm going to show you how to create it. So open the folder and then you see all the statuses that I've got. So these are my statuses. These are the statuses that I've got. So I can easily scroll between them. So you can find this. So I'm going to show you how to create this folder. Okay, so to show you how to save notification, how to save status on WhatsApp. So this is what this video is about, how to save status on WhatsApp. Now to first of all, you have to download a particular file manager. The file manager that head over to your Play Store. It's entirely free, so no valid. So search for file manager. When you search for file manager, so this is my favorite one, this file manager with an F. This one. So click on the file manager. I'm going to update my so let me update. So open the file manager. Now open your storage. Head over to your Android. Now head over here to media. Now head over to WhatsApp. Now when you're on your WhatsApp, click on media. Now once you click on media, click here. Now you tick this box, show hidden files. So it was checked before. So once you check it, you are going to see more these files. So this is where your status user. And see these are your status, these are temporary and the rest of them. So click on the status. Once you click on the status, the next thing to do is that head back to these three dots here. Click on that three dots. Yeah, no, that's not it. Let's go back. Now select the status. Click on more. And see more the three dots here. So now you can see add to home screen. Now click add to home screen. Now it's going to show you how it's going to appear. So this is how it's going to appear. I click on add. Now I've successfully added the status to my status folder to my screen. So this is folder now. Anytime I on my phone, I'm going to see this status folder here. Now out of this status folder, well, let's make sure that this status folder is first of all, let's switch over to my master. Here, so these are the status. So assuming I want to save any of these status. Now I'm okay. So now let's head over to this app. Now you can see the 3 status that I just watched. Now this is a very important thing. Now after creating this folder, and then you want to easily save your status, what you have to do is maybe head over to your home storage, create a new folder, then name the folder anything. Name the folder status. So I created that folder. So the next thing is that I will click on the folder. I will click on the folder, pick up, and then click on add bookmark. So now I've added this folder bookmark. So next time if I want to save status easily, I will just bring the status. I will just highlight the ones I want to save. Let's say if I want to highlight from here to here, I'll highlight this. Or if I want to, and then I'll highlight it. Yeah. And then I'll click this place. And so I highlighted from here to here. And then if I want to increase it to here, yeah. So I'm not going to click on copy. Once I click on copy, I'll click on this navigation bar. If I click here, I'll click on here, this bar. So this is the code I just clicked. So I will paste my status here. So I have easily saved those status. Status will log. So one more thing. So this is a bonus. So actually, when you go to your bookmark, you can rearrange your bookmark using this method. Click on here, edit. Then I say I want this one to be up top. Now this is now on top. I can now easily access this page. So let me show you what happens when I watch status. Automatically updates. So, but first of all, if you want the status you update here, you must first of all watch the status from beginning to ending. So like this. So I'll finish watching this one. So this. I'll finish watching this one. So here, it's shows updates. Here to update here. By click. I show you that you fresh here. But it's going to put that you're going to save. These are started. So it keeps updating automatically. So these are the ones that I just watched. So but the thing here is that only the words one and one that you have downloaded. So once you download any status, it will become here. If you watch it halfway, it's not going to appear here until you watch it complete. If you watch it halfway, it's not going to appear until you watch it complete. So and again, these are not applicable to test bag. So only maybe someone writes something on that is sample.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.